This is an access point installation in a rural setting. Inside the property we have installed Unifi 6 Pro access points. So this is the downstairs area, and we've installed one in the kitchen as you can see back there, and now we are going into the master bedroom, and we have installed one here on the ceiling. The ceiling is the best location to always install access points. As you can see, the light is turned off as we are cloud controlling this, which gives better control. We are now proceeding outside to the courtyard, and one of my client's requirements was to have Wi-Fi in the courtyard. So that meant we had to install an outdoor Wi-Fi access point, as you can see, which is mounted on the annex. We will also be coming back to this AP later on in the video as well. Inside the annex itself, we have installed a Wi-Fi 5 Nano HD access point. The AC mesh outdoor access point gives excellent signal all the way across this courtyard, coming up to the garage area itself. As you can see on the left of this building, we have the Starlink internet connection. Coming up the stairs now, and the actual Starlink itself we had to mount on a custom made frame, and it was configured all by the Starlink app. We are now upstairs in the property, and here's one of the other bedrooms on the far side, and again we have a Wi-Fi 6 Pro access point installed on the ceiling there. Going through another bedroom, we have another Wi-Fi 6 Pro. Sadly, we could not install them all on the ceiling, so some of them did have to go on the wall. It's not our preferred choice, and it's not the way it should be, but sometimes you just don't have a choice on where the installation can occur. Moving across into the study now, and again we've got the perfect location for the installation of another Wi-Fi 6 Pro. Check out the great views from the study area. We're now moving across the corridor now to the final bedroom upstairs, and again it was not the ideal location for the AP, so it had to be mounted just under this table, under this desk area. The outdoor AP was vinyl wrapped in black, as it makes it a bit more subtle. This is the download speed provided by the Starlink connection. This is the list of the kit we use.